Welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about Avatr's 3D HMI design. In traditional interface, functions are usually hidden in menu lists. You open the page, choose a category, find the function, and tap it. But in this 3D HMI, the logic is different. The functions are placed inside one spatial scene. You see a tent, a sofa, a screen, a car, and different mode labels. These are not just visual decorations. They're connected to what the system can do. So the user is not searching through a list. The user is looking at the scene. And in that scene, objects suggest actions. A flat UI usually organizes functions by levels. First level menu, second level menu, more settings and more switches. This structure is clear for engineers, but it is not always natural for users. Users do not think in menu levels, they think in situations. For example, in rest mode, the user may want to relax, watch a movie, keep the temperature, use pet mode, or prepare a camping scene. These needs do not feel like separate menu items. They belong to the same situation. That is why this 3D scene is meaningful. It puts related functions into one visible environment. The tent points to camping. The sofa points to relaxation. The screen points to cinema mode. The car points to vehicle-related actions. The space itself becomes the structure. This is different from a normal menu. The user does not have to remember where a function is hidden. They can understand the function by looking at the object. That reduces search cost. It also makes the interaction more natural. The interface becomes less like a control list and more like a space that user can act on. Though the real value of 3D HMI is not just the visual dips. It is not about making the screen look more futuristic. The real value is that it turns abstract functions into visible objects. The user sees an interactive space where objects suggest what the system can do. That is why this line matters. In 3D HMI, the object reveals the capability. The interface does not just display functions. It creates a space where the user can recognize an intention, choose actions, and understand the system faster. I'm Paxton. I share Automotive UX and Intelligent Cockpit design analysis here. If you have any thought or examples you want me to discuss, leave a comment. And if this topic interests you, welcome to subscribe.